In front of me is HUAWEI Pura 70 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use one-handed mode. Begin by opening settings and scrolling all the way down to hit accessibility features. Then tap on one-handed mode and use gray switcher next to one-handed mode to activate it. Then follow all of those instructions. If you are using Tricky's navigation, slide your finger across the button of the screen. If you are using gestures, do exactly the same just after sliding, hold for a second. So when I slide and tap on Got It, I can see that one-handed mode is working properly. To go back, tap on this black area. To use one-handed mode on the opposite side of your screen, just swipe in an opposite direction. Then go back the same way. To disable it completely, use the same no blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!